Hi, I'm Xian Yao, a Year 2 student currently pursuing a diploma in media post-production from the School of Film and Media Studies. And you're watching Of Course MP, where I'll be showing you what a day in the life of a student in my course will look like. To start off my day, I will drink a cup of kopi from NgeeAnnPoly to keep myself awake as my class starts at 8 AM. Since I'm having my breakfast, let me share with you why I chose to pursue MPP. From an early age, I grew up watching YouTube videos, which got me hooked on learning more about how YouTubers edit their videos. My goal is to learn the craft so that I can aspire to become a better editor. When I was choosing my diploma, MPP is the only poly diploma that covers projection mapping and heavily on post-production techniques. After graduating, I hope to continue working for the internship company that I'll be working with in my final semester. For the first module of today, we have video projection and delivery. At the moment, we are in the green screen studio learning about various projection technology from laser projection to LED panels. Currently, we are projecting our work onto a cube using a projector so that we can better understand its concept and limitations when projecting. What I love about this is that we can see our work come to life. This is also how light art installation and multimedia show at events such as I Like Singapore work. In my course, there's a lot of hands-on activity for us to gain practical experience, and our facilities are industry standard so that we keep up with the latest technology and digital tools. For example, these two newly added projectors to use for our learning. For lunch, I'm having chicken fooyong in Makan Place. Now, I'm heading for my CG Fundamentals module. It's held in the lab. The CG Fundamentals module teaches about AR and VR technology. We also get to build on our knowledge of motion graphics and 3D skill set to produce compelling visuals and animation. Currently, we are working on a group animation which will be projected onto the facade of a building. If you are interested in learning about 3D and creating immersive content, MPP is perfect for you. Now that I'm back home, I'll be answering some questions that you might have. What editing software do MPP students like myself use? Do we use software such as Premiere Pro, After Effects, Heavy Media Composer, and Cinema 4D to create videos and to animate digital installations that are interactive? Despite all this, you can still use a laptop to run all the different software, but your laptop specification will need to be powerful enough and have enough capacity to store all your different assignments. What is my favorite module so far? If I had to choose one, I would say definitely 3D motion graphics, which I had in year 1. As I mentioned before, that I wanted to be a video editor. I thought that learning After Effects and Photoshop will really take a step further and widen my skill set. It also helped to widen my choices on what I want to do in the future. That was a long day. I'll be completing my assignments after this, but before that, I hope they have learned a lot more about MPP in this episode of Course MP. So do let us know in the comments below what you like about this course. See ya in NP. Bye!